Hey there, everyone. How are you? So, I want to talk about financial freedom. Specifically, I want to talk about the 5 lessons learned on my road to financial freedom. As you may know or not know, I wrote this book about a year ago, One Rental at a Time. It is our journey from reading Rich Dad, Poor Dad through a single family home through financial freedom. The journey in our case was 15 years, but there's lots of ups and downs. There's a real estate boom, a real estate crash. There's easy lending, hard lending, but all of these things lead to financial freedom. So I've created this very quick presentation with 5 ideas because I think part of being someone trying to give back is you just got to speak the truth. And sometimes the truth is uncomfortable. So if you like this mentoring, this help, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. I do a horrible job of asking for subscribers. I produce original content every day for you. I answer questions. So if you'd like to be a part of this, hit subscribe, hit like. Yes, I produce a lot of content, 3, 4 videos a day sometimes. So if you do sign up, you realize that I'm going to produce a lot of content. But as you will see by being a part of the One Rental at a Time group family, my motives are pure. There's thousands of videos out there now where I'm just trying to help. So let's get into this one. I think you will enjoy it. So here we go. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, there we go. So again, here are my 5 lessons learned from earning financial freedom. Again, my journey was 15 years, lots of ups and downs, but let's go into number 1. Here's the first one. Financial freedom will take time. And life has surprises. As we heard from the interview yesterday from Dion, in Dion's case, he lost his job in the Marines and in the police through no fault of his own. He went through a divorce that left him with nearly $90,000 in debt. Gone through a couple of recessions. But as you will see in Dion's case in that interview, he was able to earn financial freedom with less than 10 doors. Again, we need to admire Dion for all that he's done. But what I want you to understand and appreciate in this statement is if you're sitting here in 2020 and saying financial freedom is my goal, it may take you 5, it may take you 10, it may take you 15 years. And I don't need to be the bearer of bad news, but you're going to have many ups and downs in life. You too may suffer a job loss. You too may suffer a divorce. You too may suffer recessions. But the goal of financial freedom should not stop. Keep going, keep moving forward. It's just, I wish I could tell you it wouldn't happen, but life is interesting. And some days you're up and some days you're down, but keep moving forward. One of the things that I've come to appreciate as I try to help people, I communicate, I speak at events, is most people overestimate what it takes to be financially free. I can't tell you how many people tell me they need $10, $20, $30,000 a year or a month. I'm sorry, a month to be financially free. In most cases, that is not even close. Financial freedom is earned in most cases with a much smaller number. And as we talked about with Dion yesterday, most people look to replace their gross income. You know, hey, I make 50 grand a year, so that's what I need. No, the first step is covering your net, because your tax structure, your income tax structure will be fundamentally different when you don't have a job. So for example, if you make 50 grand a year, but you actually live on 36 because you pay the IRS 14, your financial freedom number is not 50, it's 36. Financial freedom is earned steps at a time. Your goal might still be to get to 50 a year. That's awesome, but that's not financial freedom. Your financial freedom is earned at 36, right? So again, realize most of you have numbers that when I hear them, I cringe, because sometimes the numbers are so big, you really never get started. Let's bring the numbers down. And shoot, let's say, hey, I want my first number to be my car payment or my house payment or something. Let's make these goals achievable so you can keep moving forward. Because again, point number one, life will throw some curveballs. Here's one. I don't know why this isn't obvious, but financial freedom is not earned in one giant step. It is actually lots of little steps executed over and over and over again. In my course, I talk about learning your market. And yes, we talk about 20 minutes a day. Financial freedom, again, some of you need to spend less, make some cuts, make those cuts consistently. So again, financial freedom, you don't go from 0 to hero in one giant step. That's like winning the lottery. Who I'm talking to are the people that want to put in the daily work and make this journey. Again, if you want to have belief and confidence that it's possible, read the book. It's a 15-year journey, plenty of ups and downs, plenty of mistakes, plenty of lessons learned. You can see that it is possible. Here's the deal. And this is really a shame on our school systems. You and I have a personal income statement. The problem is most of us only talk about one side. The income statement has a top line income or revenue. Then it goes through all kinds of expenses like taxes, like house payments, like car payments, like student loan, like entertainment, like this, like that, like this. And then there's at the very bottom, net income or leftover savings or whatever you want to call it. Most of you focus on the top line number because you feel like it's the one you can work on. I can go to school, get a master's degree, get a raise. I can do this and get a bonus. I can do this and do this, do this and do that. Folks, yes, working on increasing the income is interesting, but in my opinion, it's not the most important part. Your personal income statement, getting down to that net number, look at your expenses. Most of you are not appreciating if you can cut expenses. I talk about needs and wants. Cover your needs, but damn it, cut out some of those wants so you can have a bigger net income number. And then if you have a bigger savings, you can invest more and you can get out of this rat race and go on the financial freedom journey. In the end, this is a documented, proven process. I, like many others before you, slowly, one step at a time, got on the road to financial freedom. Rich Dad, Poor Dad changed my life. Millionaire Next Door changed my life. But it takes daily action. It's very easy to slip back into bad habits. It requires daily action. It doesn't take a lot of time, but I do believe in daily action. In the end, I want you to know I believe in you. Financial freedom, having a better financial future is a great journey. If you are interested in doing it with buy and hold real estate, the best thing I've ever created is this course. It's simply called How to Get Started One Rental at a Time. It is everything I did 20 years ago to get started. It is everything I still do today. That's what I think is amazing. What I give away in the course is what I do today. I compare yield. I look at markets. I understand what is an average, bad, good, great. And again, I've kept the price low. You can get added to a Facebook group. And if you really are you like what we're doing here, you like what I have to say, I give you my time on Saturday. Join the Facebook group. It's private, only for students. And we talk every Saturday at 9 a.m. and you get some mentoring. I just did a presentation on student deals right out of the Facebook group. The Facebook group is great because people are helping people. People are encouraging others. It's an awesome environment. So at the end of the day, financial freedom is an awesome, awesome goal. If you're ready to do some work, I'm here to help. If you're still kind of feeling it out, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Maybe go to Amazon or Audible and buy the book to figure out who I am. But hopefully you will see I want what's best for you. I want you to have a better financial future. I'm going to keep trying. All right, everybody, take care.